Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step process of how to install Google Tag on your Blogger website. As you can see here, install a Google Tag on your website, and there are two options here: install a tracking ID through your web hosting service or commerce platform, and the second one is to install a Google Tag in your website code. Now, there's also another option to install through Google Tag Manager. So this is what I'm going to do. This one is specifically for a Blogger website. For those of you who may want to know how to install the Google Tag Manager for a WordPress website, then I have done a separate video tackling only that particular option. You can check the link in the description. But for those of you who want to install it on a Blogger website, stay tuned on this video and then I'll walk you through the process. So what you have to do is you have to access this code. And for those of you who don't know where to access it, first of all, you come to your Google Ad Manager and interface like what where I am now. Then go to Tools. From Tools, you will see Data Manager, and then from there you will see something like what I'm seeing here. You will see Google Tag. Then you click on Manage. Then it brings you here, so you click on Admin, and then so you see Install Google Tag. Click on it. Then you see Manually. Click on the Manually. So this is the code we are supposed to install. So go to your Blogger website. So go to blogger.com. Okay, so when you go to blogger.com, scroll down. By default, you will normally be at the top, and then scroll down to Theme. Then you click on the theme. Then you will see Customize. You see this, so click on Customize. Let me go back one step. Click on the drop down arrow and click on Edit HTML. And then if you read the instruction here, it says that we should paste it before the closing header tag on every page of the website. So on Blogger, we have to locate where the header is. So I'm going to copy it. So I'm copying the code. I've copied it. It says text copy to clipboard. Then I come to Blogger, and then you locate the header. So this is where the header is. I've seen the header, so I will click on the down arrow, and then I will now paste the code. So after you paste the code, you scroll down. Okay, so you click on the save here. You click on save. So as you see, it says update successful. Now after the update has been successful, come back here and then now click on test connection. It says your Google Tag was successfully installed. Yeah, your Google Tag was successfully installed. So this is an old message. So let me just refresh it and let's see whether they will still claim what they are claiming. Okay, so that message has vanished. So the conversion tracking has been successful. Yeah, so if you even come to this place, you see it says the tag quality is excellent. So tag is sending data, no issues detected. So that is it. The tag has been connected successfully. Yeah, now so after the tag is connected, it means that you can now measure conversions. And if you want to know how to set up the conversions, I have done a video also on how to set up Google Tag conversion, the conversion tracking, like the events and all of that. Maybe you want to set up so that when you take a certain action, it can be detected. All of that, I've done several videos that I will leave in the comment section. You can follow it to access that. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like this video. See you in the next video, and bye.